Hello everyone, today we're gonna do something different for this channel. We're gonna do an unboxing video. I've received a big box and I'm really eager to show you what's inside of it. It's something that I'm really happy with and I feel like sharing with you guys. Oh yes, it's finally here. This box contains a really good improvement for my painting station. I can't wait to show you and review what's inside this box, so that maybe if you'll find it interesting, you could think about getting it too. This is the modular system from Hobby Zone. It is a Polish company that produces these organizers for your painting station. I've been using some of these for quite a while now, and I thought it was about time to increase the number of components that I have on my desk. As you can see, it's nicely packaged, a lot of bubble wrapping, and it's all MDF, laser cut MDF. They have their instruction manuals. Follow them because it's easy to get lost otherwise. All the pieces are already snapped out of their initial cut, and they have this nice finish, as you can see, where they carved out on a painted side of the MDF. The thing that I really like the most is this. They provide magnets that you can use to attach the components between each other. And you don't lose alignment, you don't have gaps in your layout. I got all the pieces laid out. This is the universal bottle holder corner module, so there's not going to be any cut out for the different style of bottles, droppers, or whatever else you want to, but this is going to be the generic one. Given the thickness of the MDF, you don't really need to worry too much about the alignment. Just check where to place the glue. You don't need a ton, just a touch. That's how easy it would be to have a most amazing desk. So here are my final thoughts on the Hobby Zone Modular System. This product line is really good. They are clean, easy to assemble, they come in all different shapes and sizes, and they don't require cleaning, sanding, or drilling. They are just snap in, use some PVA glue and you're done. They have a clear section for modules that have transparent components. They have the magnets already cut out so that they snap together really tightly, really neat. They're strong magnets, they're not weak, so your system, once assembled, won't move around in your painting station. And the build quality is great. It solved a lot of issues on the desk. Now there's not going to be any more mess around the painting station, and the workflow is going to improve thanks to this. I need no more to look around for the paint pot that I've lost or that little bit that I don't know where I placed. Everything is there where it should be, and I can just focus on my task, on what I'm painting in the moment. Really a good choice for me. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you find this video useful. I hope it was something that you didn't know and that might interest you. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you already knew the line, well, share it with the others and give us your thoughts. Maybe if there's something that I've missed, let me know as well. Till next time, it's all for today. Bye!